Honor Magic Flip 2 debuts with 200 megapixel camera and biggest battery yet in a flip phone. Honor has officially unveiled the Magic V Flip 2 in China, a clamshell foldable that takes direct aim at rivals like Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Motorola's Razr 60 Ultra. The new model focuses on two standout features: a massive battery and a high-resolution main camera, setting it apart in the increasingly competitive flip phone market. The inner screen is a 6.82-inch LTPO OLED panel with 268x1232 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of up to 5,000 nits. On the outside, there's a 4.0-inch LTPO OLED cover screen at 1200x1092 resolution, reaching 3600 nits. Under the hood sits Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. On the back, the phone carries a 200 megapixel main camera with a 1.4-inch sensor, f.9 aperture, and OIS, alongside a 50 megapixel ultra-wide with a 120-degree field of view. For selfies, there's a 50 megapixel front-facing camera, giving the Flip 2 one of the most ambitious camera systems on a foldable flip to date. The Magic V Flip 2 packs a 5,500 mAh silicon carbon battery, the largest ever in this category. It supports 80-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging. Honor says this should give users far more endurance than typical clamshell foldables, which often struggle with smaller cells. The phone runs MagicOS 9.1 on Android 15 and brings AI tools such as AI-assisted photo editing, similar to Google's Help Me Edit on the Pixel 10 series, alongside features like AI Smart Cutout and AI Stylized. The device also includes IP58, IP59 ratings, SGS durability certification, dual speakers, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. It comes in purple, white, gray, and a limited edition blue. Global availability hasn't been confirmed yet, but the Magic V Flip 2's combination of battery life, cameras, and high brightness displays could make it a strong contender if Honor takes it international. The Honor Magic V Flip 2 is a very strong contender in the clamshell foldable market. It stands out with a best-in-class battery, incredibly fast charging, and a camera system that is a significant step up for the form factor. It appears to be a very compelling option for those seeking a stylish and powerful foldable phone with excellent battery life and camera capabilities. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.